Hey everyone, Chris here, CAIPhotos.com, and I actually picked up this tip from Piximperfect. If you haven't seen any of his videos, you should check him out. Really cool for Photoshop. But he did this thing with shadows, and I wasn't sure if it would work well with real estate photography, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Anyway, this is what I did here. So basically, it's super simple. All that you have to do is highlight, and you can use, lasso tool or polygonal lasso tool, whatever. Highlight your shadow area, but you want to stay inside the shadow. It's very important to stay inside the shadow. Just highlight that area and do a curves layer. Then all you got to do is, raise it, adjust it to how you see fit to kind of make it blend properly. And then as you can see here, you get the this little strip of shadow everywhere. And what Piximperfect said to do is just use the smudge tool. So that's what I did. And it's not perfect, and I could probably spend a lot more time to get it more perfect, but I think this shows that it's definitely something that can be used for real estate photography. So I just wanted to share it with you guys, and hopefully it helps somebody get some shadows out of their shots. All right, guys, take care. Have a good one.